Hey guys! Welcome to my vlog! So for today's video, it's going to be a September dump, basically a compilation of almost everything we did for the past month. But most of these are mga off lang ni Dani from her work kasi ever since she moved to a new one, mas konti na lang yung off niya. Kaya ayun, we're making the most out of it. Without further ado, let's watch this. Hi guys! Silly, say hi. So, off ni Dani today. One of the very few she has for the month. So sad! Kaya nasa mall kami to shop, maybe. But to eat, definitely. Hintay din naman si Bernie kasi galing siya sa work. So, mag-ikot muna kami sa every introvert's best friend. Got the goods.
Pero nilalapitan pa rin nila ako kanina. Stop bombarding me.
Merienda break. Sobrang takaw lang. Sobrang takaw lang. Alam niyo ba guys, sobrang nostalgic dito sa food court ng Philby's kasi dito kami lagi dumediretso ng friends ka after school para tumambay. So, yung mga bahay na ano na yan, ang dami nang na-witness niya na parte ng buhay namin. Welcome home, Popsi! Hindi na siya nakasama sa amin sa mall kasi he had a meeting. But now, we're here at our most favorite place in the world. Happy Sweet 16, Cafe Lilia. Congratulations!
Don't cry, little one. Make a wish of your sad little tears.
So here's our order. Buffalo chicken. Lagi nilang order. Happy Mas. So much hatred. And sama, nahati kami ni Dani. My best silly. Hi guys, we're here sa SNR Marikina. Ang dami na naman nilang pagkain. Guys, na-realize namin. Dapat pala, pag nag-grocery, dapat busog. Kasi kinukuha namin lahat sa kagutuman. Thank you! Idinudulog ko po. Sobrang tagal ng order namin. Anong ilang oras? 30 minutes. Ngayon lang dumating. Look at those faces of disbelief. And disappointment.
Order niyo lang.
So here's our order. Our usual hot dog.
Sa inyo isa.
Bacon wrapped hot dog, Salisbury steak, devoured. Anong tawag dyan? Creamy spinach something, and roast chicken, and of course the fries. I love their savory fries. Woo! Large drink. Nagsisingilan ng uta.
Galing siya sa anong car wash. Basta umalis siya nun. Tapos sabi niya, ako si Minil. Huwag na, okay lang. Wala ka kasing trabaho.
Sisigilin ko yun.
Hindi.
Utang.
Hindi.
Wala ka talaga trabaho. Trabaho ka gusto mo.
Patapusin
Trabaho ka para hindi ka apil.
Hindi, ibig sabihin, hinahatid mo naman ako ganon. Hindi na sisingilin. Buti sana ako bakit umiiyak. Wala, naiyak siya. Hindi, ibig sabihin housewife kasi siya. Ba't ka maniningin?
Pauwi na kami, guys. Say goodbye, Silly.
Para di mahal ang pops ko sa gilid.
Points. Bye. Silly, mag-close the vlog. Thanks for watching. Wala siyang pake sa akin. Hi guys! So today we're here sa Trinoma cause up ulit ni Daddy. Yippee! Gabi, may ganito na pala sa Trinoma. I don't even remember it to me like this. This is our lunch. So many side dish. She got her good. I'm so overwhelmed with the heli. Go Jungkook! Go Jungkook! Wala siyang pinipiling lugar. That's all for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching and see you on the next one. Bye!